But today's topic is something that I think is very important, especially for therapists, and that's self-care techniques. And while I'm not a therapist, I am married to one. And it's easy to see how incredibly rewarding what you guys do can be, but it also comes with its share of challenges. And that's why prioritizing your own mental health is vital. I know there's self-care techniques for a ton of different jobs, but for me, this is something that's even more important for therapists because of, that pesky little thing that you guys have, confidentiality. Because like when Candace has a great day, I can see it. It's awesome. But when she has a bad day, I can also see that too, and it's not awesome. I can't do the normal right thing, which is just listening to her tell me about her day. I'm not trying to fix anything. I'm just listening, letting her talk. But when your wife is a therapist, I mean, you can't tell me anything about your day, and it makes it so much worse for me. But I guess there are things you can do to help with your own mental health, even when you can't talk to anybody about it. So, babe, we know self-care is important for your own mental health, but what are some other ways it can be beneficial?
Well, that's thankfully a great setup to discuss things. I love how you brought in the confidentiality aspect as well, which is such a unique challenge for us. I mean, I think you nailed it in showing how self care isn't just important, it's essential. You can talk to your spouse about everything else. And most people can come home and talk about their jobs. But with us, we don't really have the ability to do that. So, and really, there's nobody we can talk to other than other professionals. So, to jump in, self care for therapists does more than just recharge our batteries. It can also help us maintain clear boundaries, avoid burnout, and even show up more fully for our clients. Taking time for ourselves allows us to be more present, I think, and have that empathy. It's hard to be empathetic when you're burnt out. So, self care is so important for that. And it's effective, helps us to be effective in our work. What's more, it sets an example for our clients, showing them the importance of prioritizing their own well being. I mean, it's one thing for us to say it, but if we're not taking care of ourselves, how can we expect them to?